Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have discussed with the surgical procedure. We have started benign neoplasm, and then I told you that we'll be starting with peripheral resection in the next class. So let's start. Peripheral resection. When odontogenic neoplasm occur in the mandible and is sufficiently small that a 1 to 1.5 centimeter of bony margin will leave at least 1 centimeter of inferior border, a peripheral resection is indicated. जब न्यूप्लाज्म छोटा है, कितना छोटा, 1 to 1.5 सेंटीमीटर, बोनी मार्जिन will leave at least 1 centimeter of inferior border, मतलब नीचे 1 centimeter of inferior border बचा है, तब a peripheral resection is indicated. It is usually a transoral procedure. Peripheral resection is a transoral procedure. Okay. The resection is done in a box-like fashion with the right angle corners. Okay. The resection is done in a box-like, जो peripheral resection है वो box-like pattern में होता है with the right angle. But the right angle or the box-like fashion should not be done in the people who are older than 30 years and if the remaining border is less than 1 centimeter. अगर कोई इंसान 30 ईयर्स से ज़्यादा ओल्डर है या बॉर्डर जो नीचे का 1 सेंटीमीटर से कम है, तब हम बॉक्स लाइक फैशन यानी राइट एंगल कॉर्नर्स नहीं देते हैं फॉर पेरिफेरल रिसेक्शन. वाई? बिकॉज reduced elasticity of the bone in this age group coupled with the biting force that are transmitted to the right angle corners of the box result in pathological fracture. First thing is that there is a reduced elasticity of bone in the age, in this age group, means जो 30 years से बड़े हैं, older हैं, and then coupled with the biting force that are transmitted to the right angle corners of the box resulting in pathological fracture. सीधे right angle corner पे जाएंगे और pathological fracture हो जाएगा. To reduce this, a curvilinear design or a U-shape resection to be done with wider top. तो हम लोग box shape नहीं करते, क्या करते हैं, U shape, like this. This is the box shape thing. Okay, tumor, this is the box shape thing, this is the right angle. So this resulted in a pathological fracture. Right angle peripheral resection, fracture occur at the inferior border as biting force are transmitted and concentrated towards this corner. तो यहाँ पे fracture हो गया, हम box shape किए रिसेक्शन ट्यूमर हटा के, और ये हो गया फ्रैक्चर हमारा, क्योंकि बाइटिंग फोर्स सारा इधर आया. तो हम क्या करते हैं, कर्वीलिनियर डिज़ाइन करते हैं, ठीक है, फॉर पेरिफेरल रिसेक्शन, ताकि एक स्लोप या आर्क क्रिएट हो जाए. ये कब करते हैं हम, जब या तो एज ज़्यादा हो या तो बॉर्डर जो बचा है वो 1 सेंटीमीटर से कम है. तो टू रिड्यूस दिस, टू रिड्यूस पैथोलॉजिकल फ्रैक्चर, अ कर्वीलिनियर डिज़ाइन और अ यू शेप रिसेक्शन टू बी डन विद द वाइडर टॉप. Okay, peripheral resection is closed primarily. The lost bony height is regained by osteogenesis in young patient. Like about 1/2 of the bony height is regained by osteogenesis only in young patient. Okay. Now, immediate bony reconstruction is possible and reduce infection potential. इमीडिएट बोनी रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन जब करते हैं तो जो इन्फेक्शन होता है वो ऑलरेडी रिड्यूस हो जाता है. रिकॉम्बिनेंट ह्यूमन बोन मॉर्फोजेनिक प्रोटीन 2/acellular collagen sponge, that is RHBMP2/ACS. This is a short form of this. Recombinant human bone morphogenic protein, acellular collagen sponge. Okay, shows alternative for autogenous grafting, and when combined with crushed cancellous freeze dried allogenic bone, that is CCFDAS, crushed cancellous freeze dried allogenic bone, and PRP will regenerate bone in these defect equal to that of an autogenous graft. तो autogenous graft का एक ऑल्टरनेटिव ये हो गया. So we avoid using autogenous. This is all the new protein or new bone morphogenic protein which are used. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this and PRP all combined and serve as a autogenous graft or is an alternative for autogenous graft. Okay, that's all for today class. Next video will be starting in next week. This week I'll giving only 4 video. Next class will be starting with the reconstruction of benign tumor and maxilla thing. Okay, till then like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.